our Christmas edition of home tours here at Living It Country. Today, we're in for such a treat. You guys, I know you loved Denise's home when we shared it for the fall season, and she is back for Christmas, sharing her stunning Christmas home tour. Make sure you guys give her a follow, and I'm going to link her fall video down below. You guys, I've already seen a glimpse into her home. She has glitter and she has so many touches of cool things. You guys are gonna love it. And she was best known last season for doing her tablescape on her island bar area. And I know so many of you absolutely love that. So I'm so excited to share what she is doing this season. So without further ado, let's get her tour started.
Hey friends, it's Denise with Forever Kentucky Home. I'm so glad to have you all here today. If you're new, welcome for the first time. Today I'm going to walk through our Christmas home, and I really hope you enjoy what you see, and I hope I inspire you in some way with your holiday decorating. But we did a lot of things childlike and fun. We have some traditional things, and I just really hope that you guys enjoy it. I had a lot of fun filming this for you guys, and I just love sharing it because it brings me a lot of joy. And I hope it brings you guys a lot of joy too. I do have 3 rooms that did not make the tour. If you will hop over to my Instagram later this week, you will see those 3 rooms. Last year I was a little bit nuts. I went over the top. I did dial it back some this year. But either way, I really hope you guys enjoy it and have a Merry Christmas. Not decorated. We will start at the front door. And this is the first thing you see when you come in, is a flocked tree, which I used colored lights, some ribbon, and just some simple ball ornaments. All of the ornaments came from the Dollar General. The ribbon all came from Walmart, and I think this ribbon looks fantastic to be from Walmart. I have a scroll here that reads, "Oh Holy Night, the stars are brightly shining." This is my favorite Christmas song. I love scrolls, so I made my own. You can make this, guys, so simple. Just go to the Dollar Tree, grab a roll of packing paper, and there you go. So simple. This is probably my favorite space in the house for Christmas, the Grinch room. I love the Grinch. I love how colorful everything is, how whimsical everything is. And I just really wanted to share this with you guys. This is our guest room. This is where my daughter wakes up on Christmas morning when she stays with us. And she's 24, but she loves it as much as any child would, as do I. And I just love how packed this tree is with all of these wonderful ornaments and personalized things that were made by me. And it's just so fun. It's so fun to put your touch on things. I did have one splurge in this room, and that would be my Pottery Barn sheets. I typically like to save money on things like that, but I had to have the sheets, guys, because I'm going to use these for many years. They're so cute and so fun. Let me take you over here, hello Grinch, to the guest bathroom. We have a few small things in here just so that everything ties together and keeping with the Grinch theme. So there you have it. That is our Grinch guest room. I think it is so fun, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. All right, this is the space where we wake up and open gifts together on Christmas. We want it very colorful, very traditional, and fun. This is where Santa is. We have our church view with my blanket that my daughter made. I just think it is such a sweet space, colorful and fun. We used the large C9 bulbs and twinkle lights on this tree, kept it very traditional, and kept it with what we had growing up. That is what I remember having, was twinkle lights and the large C9 bulbs. And I just think it's really magical. Over here we have an area where Saint Nick can enjoy his cocoa and cookies on Christmas, or milk, whatever you put out for Saint Nick. And then we have our countdown to Christmas. This is from 12 Timbers, and look how cute this is, guys. His beard, you can actually add or take away the pieces to count down the days to Christmas. So, so cute. Again, that's at 12 Timbers. If you guys like that, check them out. They have so many cute things. One more peek here. Here is the space opposite the tree. And as you can see, we just have a pretty wreath with a plaid bow and our peanuts nutcrackers here on the table because I think they are just adorable and they're fun and colorful. They go with the space so well. They're there with their mailbox with letters to Santa. If you have children, that's something really fun. You can put your letters in there. And then just some small trees and the family sign, which is also peanuts. Here's a space just off from the garage when you come up the stairs from the basement. It was looking pretty plain, so I decided to put a couple trees in this spot just to tie it all together with the rest of the house. And basically that overlooks the front room that we just looked at here. Here's a look at our master bedroom. I kept it very simple, yet warm and cozy. All we did here was change out our sheets for some red flannel plaid and add a wreath up there with a few other small touches. And of course we put a tree over here in the corner. I decorated it in rich reds, greens, plaids, and so on. And I feel like that definitely gives that warm, cozy vibe that we are going for here. And again, I just wanted to keep it simple but warm in here. This is a place where you relax. I didn't want it super busy, a lot of stuff going on. And this is what we did. Over here, we added just a couple small trees. And I think that's plenty. I didn't want to do a whole lot in here. So, hope you guys like it. Again, just wanted it simple, but warm and cozy. Here's a look into our living room. This is the room where we sit and watch Christmas movies and just look at the pretty tree and the fire. It's just so calm and relaxing in this space. Kind of a winter wonderland is what I think this year looks like. You can see the fireplace, the built-ins. I kept everything very simple, very neutral. So pretty. This tree is what I like to call our tree of everything. We have a little bit of everything on this tree. We have homemade ornaments. We have everything from Michael Jordan to the Golden Girls to Peanuts, you name it, it's all on this tree. And it was just so much fun accumulating these over time, and it's fun to go back and take a look at everything each year. The mantle is probably my favorite thing in this room. Again, I just feel like we kept it simple, but it's yet so pretty. Kind of a winter wonderland, if you will. See the lights glowing in the window. Y'all, I saved the best for last. Here's the dining room. This is the sweetest, fluffiest, magical space that I could have dreamed of to do for you guys for Christmas. My inner 5-year-old is still screaming inside. I love everything about the space, the colors. It's so whimsical and fun, all the way down to the sugar cookies. Those were made by Lucy Payne here in Mount Sterling. Guys, look how precious this is. I want to be a little girl right now. I want to look at this through the eyes of a little girl, and I can imagine just how exciting that would be. I'm excited, and I'm 48 years old. So I know if I were a little girl, I would just feel like I was in this magical wonderland. I mean, look at this. Is it not just the sweetest, fluffiest little dream ever? I don't know how else to explain it. Over here, you can see this beautiful sign made by Olive Branch Farmhouse, along with my Sugar Plum Fairy and my Nutcracker Soldier. She is modeled after the Glitterville Sugar Plum Pixie. I'm in love with her. I can't really afford her. She's not in my budget. So I bought plywood and I created her and the Nutcracker here. If you're able to DIY things, you can really achieve something sweet without spending as much money. And I feel like they turned out really cute. Are they the beautiful three-dimensional $500 nutcrackers and sugar plum? No, they're not. But guys, they're so cute. I'm really proud of it. This tree was gifted to me by King of Christmas. It is pink, it is flocked, so it almost looks like it's coated in sugar. And then I knew I wanted everything on it to be candy. The only thing really that isn't candy but reminds me of candy are the icicles, because they almost remind me of vanilla frosting. But they're so cute. All of the lollipops, those were made by me. The cotton candy, the pictures, the suckers, the cake pops, all of those, the rolled candy. I made those, guys. This was a real labor of love. I wanted to do something special in this space, but I didn't want to buy everything because that can get very expensive. Plus, I didn't want what everybody else had, so I created what I wanted, and I think it turned out really cute. Again, it may not be for everyone, but I just think it's so cute. All this cotton candy, it's scented. It smells like cotton candy in here. It literally smells like you're on a cotton candy cloud. I've got my table of sweets here. Again, some of it is things that I made, some of it is things that I purchased. And again, back to that beautiful sign that ties everything together. You all, I could not have asked for this to turn out any cuter. It is so precious. I really hope, if you have little girls or even little boys that like pink, whoever, please show them this. I think this would make any child smile with just pure joy. I really do. And that's why I did it. If I could have done this for my daughter when she was a little girl, I know she would have been in heaven. I know she would. So this is for her, and this is for all the other little kids who live in the same fantasy land that exists in my head, apparently. But I really hope everybody has a magical, wonderful Christmas. And please go over to my Instagram this week, guys. I'll have more Christmas content because I do have some things that did not make this tour that I would love to share with you guys. But anyway, it was so wonderful to share this with you all. Merry Christmas. Have a good night.
If you loved Denise's home tour, make sure you guys follow her down below, and I will see you guys in this playlist right here filled with all of the Christmas home tours for this season. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in that video. Bye.